let us first understand what were the designs and how did multifocal contact lenses actually evolve. So initially it started with a bifocal contact lenses, and it was basically in an RGP design where you have this truncation at the bottom. And these were called as segmented design. Why segmented? Because you can see a segment over here. So the top half was the distance and the bottom half was the near. And if the lenses sits on the lower lid, when the patient looks up, they see the distance, and when they have to raise the chin slightly up and look down, they will be able to see through the reading zone. Obviously, they were very, very uncomfortable because they were sitting at the lower lid. So later on, this design was slightly modified, and the prism ballast was introduced at the bottom of the lenses instead of the truncation. But still, the patients were not very happy, and particularly, when there was dim light illumination, the patients were not happy at all because those reading part used to come into the pupillary zone as well. So this was discarded, and the new design that was introduced in the world was called as concentric design. Now, when you hear this term concentric design, remember they have two power zones, the distance and the near. And they worked well. They were used in a lot of contact lenses, including soft contact lenses and RGP contact lenses, and they had concentric designs where the patients were able to see the distance as well as they were able to see the near. But they have to compromise on the intermediate part. Then what happened was the world became digitalized, right? We all know the banks, the libraries, everything became digitalized, and the mall culture came up. So the intermediate zone was very, very important for the patients. And that is why we found that a lot of patients were not comfortable with the concentric design because of the need to see the intermediate. And then the new design that was introduced into the world, it was called as aspheric design. And this design has the distance, the intermediate, and the near zone, all three of it together. Now, depending on the manufacturers, there can be either a center distance, that means the patient's distance prescription can be at the center, or it can be a center near, that means the patient's reading prescription can be at the near zone. So do remember that concentric designs are still used, but they're used more for myopia control than for giving a presbyopic correction. So these were the three designs which evolved, and now most of the lenses you come across will have aspheric design. May it be a scleral lenses, may it be a RGP lenses, may it be a soft contact lenses, even IOL multifocal contact lenses do have an aspheric design. So this is the design which everybody is using nowadays.